Money makers and booty shakers.
Oh yeah.
I think that's just a stripper.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
I'm okay with that.
You like that bounce on MU? Pretty solid, huh?
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. I was watching it Friday and I was talking to Brooke because she was obviously going out of her mind. I was like, dude, that's such an overreaction. Like, the news is not that bad. It's like China is really only banning a few products and it's temporary.
And it was a $44 million lawsuit.
Yeah, like, come on, dude.
So that was the beauty of it, right? I saw her comments going into the 40s. I'm like, nah, it isn't.
It is funny news, though.
Brooke says it's going down. Bye.
Well, dude, I'm telling you, I mean, it bounced that fucking ascending triangle daily support perfectly.
Yeah, I saw
We're
those
open,
orders.
boys.
Let's see what DFG does. Washout or a spike a little out of the gate. A little bit of a chase towards the 650s, then washout. Oh, we're just gonna get a spike right out of the gate, and that's cool too.
Yeah, but it could be a possible Head and Shoulders.
I'm already fine though. I made like 17% on SBOT this morning already. It's gonna be an all day with the FOSC, the Fed minutes and stuff like that.
Also, with the fucking trade war set to kick in tomorrow.
Oh yeah. And with the midweek thing going on, it's odd. It's always an odd dynamic. Fucking stuffed. Fucking Ethan, man. He just comes in here to chew.
Bruh, bananas are good.
You just like shoving dick-sized items in your mouth. Fucking deep throat that shit, you homo. Okay, that washout was not nearly as severe as I thought. That washout on MU is fucking nasty, though.
Yeah, it is. Somewhat to be expected, to be honest with you. Such a big bounce.
Low volume bounce here in DFPG. Same with GBR.
$272.49. 272.49. Tracked it perfect. Put it right there.
Yeah, it's fucking die A&W. Your news is shit, and you should feel bad. TGC going again? Oh yeah.
Jasper, what do you think of puts on the SPY?
It ran up so much. I think that would be. I have to look at see what the chart looks like. I'm watching MU right now, but did it hit the top of that channel? You see that 5-day channel? Look at the 5-day, 5-minute. You can see like a fucking clear.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
I haven't quite hit it yet. It's kind of right in the
Yeah, it didn't really
middle,
hit
so
it.
it's kind of dangerous. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I see it.
Posted too.
Did you guys have a good 4th?
Yeah.
You get laid?
No.
No
Girl
problem.
hanging out with is at the beach without me.
What's the rule?
Well,
You like the beach?
Yeah.
Hate the beach.
The beach hates you.
Good.
So there's the spy chart I'm looking at, Ethan. So you're standing like you're sitting right in the middle. So it's kind of a dangerous move. It could go either way. I would almost wait for a support buy. Either way, even holding anything into tomorrow would be tough. XLK also had a interesting setup for an actual kind of XLK is right in the middle too.
Let's see GBO break 6 here. I think they're gonna have a lot of trouble as soon as you get into the 6 to 7 range.
So one of the things I would recommend, Ethan, and people trade options differently. One of the things Oscar and I have been kind of talking about is, to me, to avoid ever being in situations where you're down and uncomfortable, you need to be buying like basically pivot points. And if the pivot doesn't work out, as in like support or resistance,
just fucking destroyed.
Just get out of it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Fucking destroyed. Gorgeous. Love it.
Oh.
Man, Oscar's been doing great. I was talking to him this week, and he's been doing great.
Yeah, it's really, you know, you kind of simplify it where when you see these patterns setting up, like, I mean, it's a pretty easy buy. And then you have very clear rules, right? So if if that support breaks or that resistance breaks, then you just get the fuck out if you're in a put or a call. So you'll have a loss, but you'll minimize it. The worst thing about options, not only is that you can lose your entire position pretty quick, but it's being down like fucking 50%. You know what I mean? And you're like, what the fuck? Who wants to hold on through something like that?
Man, look at that destruction on GBR. That is fucking gorgeous.
Are you short, dude?
I wish there's no shares for any of this. Fuck, man, that's hot.
You getting you all hot and bothered?
Dude, it's gonna be rock hard.
Fantastic.
But yeah, like I had a conversation also 2 weeks ago, and for some reason that really turned into the pivot point. I mean, he took off all his fucking indicators, and it's been going great now.
It's really, I mean, that's in my opinion, that's the way to do it, and just be prepared. Always have a day trade in your back pocket to get the fuck out.
Yeah, I always want to have that exit.
Especially with the volatility of the market recently, because you know something that's up 50 to 100% today can fucking shit its pants in a heartbeat.
Mm-hmm.
The next day with some fucking tweet or some bullshit story about, you know, trade wars.
Yeah. Imagine like getting into Pedo fan. You're like, Pedo's like, I'll give you candy, but there's a way out. But imagine getting in the van, there's no way out. It's like, kind of like having a day trade versus no day trade in an option play.
I'm not sure I see the relation.
It's like, well, if you're in a pedo fan and there's a way out, you're like, okay, I can go in there and get the candy. It's risk free. If you're in there, it's like there's no exit. You're like, oh, I'm fucked.
Hey, little boy, want some candy?
As long as there's a back door, though. As long as I got a day trade.
Oh, there's a back door in there, all right.
Okay.
Hey-oh.
Ethan laughing.
Here, by the way, for what it's worth, here's the beautiful. I almost expect MU to settle back down to this support line, but this is the MU play. Fucking bounced perfectly, dude. It's awesome.
I gotta try to fucking track where the support will be.
I am getting quite attached to this server. I'm starting to like it more.
See that bounce motherfucker right there, that red candle.
TGC.
To my own, I'm gonna blow a little smoke up my own ass. Hub, if you look at trade ideas back in the hub, I circled that area as the area I was looking for a bounce once tech started to sell off. Didn't know it was gonna...
Haven't we talked about that? I think we talked about that last week, actually.
Yeah, I mean that's what I expected. There were a handful of there was Microsoft, Intel, there were a couple of tech stocks I was expecting a decent little sell off, and it's just a matter of predicting where it was going to sell off to.
Yeah, it's funny that as you always said, like that pivot point, right? That change in momentum.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, man! Wow, look at all these perfect plays. GVR stuffed right into the resistance. A&W just fading from back holders. DFBG is just a shithole and a half.
271.74.
Stuff.
Oh, the notepad is actually
GBR.
useful, guys.
VWAP fail for what? Oh, GBR.
No, that's not what happened.
Didn't happen on MU either.
Dude, $1 gain in fucking 3 minutes. Dollar share gain. Crazy. Let's see if A&W can bounce to the 150s. Man, this stock is so volatile. I wish I had shares to short for this type of shit. Man, fuck. So you guys always talk about not having day trades. I'm complaining about not having shares to short. This life sucks.
Below 271.83.
Wait, that girl's name of yours, Jess, her name was Theresa, right?
What girl?
The one you were dating?
Nope.
Something close to Teresa?
Nope. Why?
I don't know. I just remembered it. I was like, Teresa's like, it was like, who the fuck is Teresa? I was like, oh, that's Jason's girlfriend, but no, okay, I guess not.
No, I don't have a girlfriend anymore. That situation is over, and I'm dating somebody else now.
Yeah, well, dating girlfriend, whatever.
Looks like the
It's a
spawn might come
female-friendly
back
with
here.
who you rub genitals together.
Whoa.
Ethan!
What?
Look at DFBG, dude. Watched at the open. Rip up. Fuck. To the 550s, I said it went to 562. Damn. Missed that on.
What the files 8K.
Yeah, they got an 8K and they basically did an offering at $8 a share.
I don't want to read that. Why? Who wants an offering? Like a secondary public offering or a private offering?
No, just a private offering.
Who the fuck would want to buy shares for that steep of a?
I don't know. I didn't read I read the entire thing, but they're acquiring a company for like 1.38 billion, or a part of a company for 1.38 billion. A little bounce there on the fives here on GBR, probably gonna fade more.
Did you see? I noticed how that you posted about Cohen stands. This is the best server ever.
What the fuck?
Oh wait, which?
I posted that, and last night I saw that, and I posted a screenshot in fucking staff chat. I was like, "Who the fuck is this guy?"
Yeah, I saw that actually after I posted. When I posted, I was like, "Oh, Jasper already talked about it." I'm basically reposting old news.
You know the guy that asked.
It's still funny though, man.
Oh my god. Oh Jesus. That picture of a spider just freaked me out. Jesus. You know the guy that asked anyone have any luck on here? That guy DM'd me.
Oh yeah, did he ask for news?
He said, "Hey man, how are you liking the Sippy Cup chat?" And then I just said it's pretty dead. And then he sent me a link to Hey Kahoo Trading, which I was already part of. He said alive and kicking. Fucking amazing founder.
Fucking amazing, motherfucker.
Oh no, I've never talked in there though.
Man, I like going in Sippy Cup and getting my butthole tickled by the shitty alerts. think I'm gonna stick with that. It's like a nice echo chamber. I can talk about my games that I did make, and everyone's gonna be like, "Fuck yeah, dude! Great call, great work, everyone."
This is the best server they come.
Who's fucking Cohen Stan? The fuck is that?
Cohen Stan, Kellison, resemblance is uncanny. I mean, come
Bro,
on.
that spider is
Read
actually.
about it in
Can
all
can
people.
someone like kick the guy out of the server?
Who?
Quantum Poker of Sippy Cup because the spider's freaking me out.
Oh, yeah, that is a nasty spider.
I hate seeing that on my screen. Ew. God.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
Oh God.
TGC is down 20%. Fuck me, dude. Dude, today is the day of stuff moves, huh? Holy fuck. TGC stuff move. GBR stuffed. What else had a stuff move? Okay, I was a little overexcited there, but man.
Your mom? Stuff move, bitch. And then go to the help. Did you guys see in the help channel?
No, I don't have Super Cup muted. I don't pay attention.
Maddox Howitzer, who's a crypto guy, I guess, asks, how do I cancel my SCT subscription? and then she said, DM me. DM me. Oh my god. Classic line.
Yeah, it's a fucking classic.
You can't cancel once I have your credit card number. You're on a continuous payment system.
Yeah. Yeah, so we kind of subscribe you for a 3-year recurring fee, so you can't really cancel.
Two, two, two.
We have an accountant that we need to keep on retainer, so sorry about that. Descending triangle on GBR for a second here.
The spy is just so it went under the 200 SMA in the 5 minute, and then it rejected it. So I don't know. It looks pretty bearish. Oh shit! And we have a pretty big down candle. Oof.
Semiconductors are up a fuck ton, 1.5%.
What are you looking at? Soxel?
Huh?
Are you looking at Soxel?
No, I'm looking at VanEck. VanEck Vector Semiconductor ETF.
Oh, I always look at the leveraged.
I'm not trading it, Ethan. I don't care about the leverage.
Yeah, well, it also like you can see some big boy moves, you know. Instead of that pussy shit. Bitch. Country boy, I love you. You guys like know that meme?
I know that way. Oh, DFPG's halted.
Salted, oh my god. Oh my god.
Salty. Halted on the downside. Now that does me a naster.
You know that song about Chick-fil-A and like fries? Apparently that's copyrighted. I got copyrighted claims for that.
Last month or last week.
What?
No, earlier this week.
What the fuck? Why?
Dude, get with it, dude. Fuck.
Why is that copyrighted?
It's probably the melody that's copyrighted.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
watching that sell off.
Oh, apparently Elon Musk is going crazy on on Twitter.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is kind of sounding.
Oh my god, he just said he had a 2-incher. Knew it all along.
Those stalkers. Tesla's shitting his pants.
Wait, what's the low on this candle? Damn it! Why am I wrong?
What the fuck is that? Damn it, why am I wrong? What the hell? Oh, AXMN is going here. Yeah, Jason.
The candle didn't go down enough. Wait, what was this level? 7-9. Damn it, I can't tell which one it's following with. Wait, Winnie the Pooh's a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the... How did I not know that until now?
Her voice?
It's kind of an asexual voice, isn't that? Like,
Sounds like a girl. That one sounds.
It sounds like a beta male.
Sounds like you.
oh man,
Correct.
hacking the boyhood.
No, you're not a beta male. You're just not fully grown yet.
Me listening to my sad music and overthinking.
Oh, BLK is down another 5%. I think I'm up like 20% in the play already.
oh, dudes.
Fucking get fucked, DFBG. You can suck my fucking cock.
I watched a video on YouTube earlier, and I recommend everyone to watch it, including the 0
Absolutely
viewers on the stream.
pathetic
It was
size,
about
but-
a lion that's friends with a wiener dog.
I think I've seen that video.
It was amazing.
I like videos where animals are friends with other animals. It's kind of like a white person being friends with a black person.
Jesus, dude.
I don't get how that's similar.
It's not.
I like to think it's similar.
Okay.
So, Ethan, your 5-puts might be right on here.
Damn it! It didn't go
Isn't a
down to.
black person a different race? And
The
isn't a
problem
dog
is, I'm
and
trying
a
to find the
fucking
support.
gorilla a different race as well?
That's a different animal completely.
Wait,
Exactly.
8-6, 8-6.
Yeah, that's a little backwards, dude. But you know.
I like to think about it that way. It makes me laugh. Stop ruining my fun. Whenever I see people walking, she's like a black person with a white person. Like, dude, that's basically just like a gorilla walking with a lion. Like, it's two different things. It's funny. It makes me laugh. Okay, why are you guys gonna judge me?
Hey man.
Here we go. Absolutely pathetic size, but we'll fucking swing it. It's always the plays that work out the best that you have too little size on. It's the plays that work out the worst you have too much size on. Wow, GBR is actually coming back.
No, wait. Now I don't know if Winnie's the Pooh is a guy or a girl, and it's really
I always
pissing.
thought it was a girl. I never thought it was
It's
a guy.
really pissing me off. Dude, it looks like a guy. I'm pretty sure it's referred to as a guy.
It looks like a guy. It's a bear that has no pants on. It doesn't have a vagina or it doesn't have a dick.
There, you can clearly see her vagina.
Dude, there's no bow. Everyone knows that the little piggy bitch. Everyone knows the little piggy bitch is a girl because there's a bow. Winnie doesn't have a bow. Also, we can't assume it's gender unless we
We
ask.
can't assume it's gender. No, that's true. You're very right. Oh, GBR is getting stuffed again here at VWeb. just wrap it up there. Fuck them. Only 500 shares anyway.
Hey. Bum, 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 bum. I don't have to work till Sunday.
Is your mom gonna come in again and berate you?
I mean, it is a possibility at any time.
I think it's so fucking funny, man. I think I've been in like 4 times where when his mom comes in, it's like, "What do you gotta go today? What do you gotta do? You have to work? Huh?" She sounds so angry. It's so funny.
It's not funny.
I think it's funny.
Feelings aren't funny, man. Ooh, little breakaroo up on me, maybe?
Let's have a look here.
Trying to break
Oh,
out.
yeah, trying to break out.
Is there anything else being followed?
See if it actually gets stuffed at pre-market high.
Yeah.
Oh, this is getting this is a nasty candle here.
53.60.
Actually, don't want a nerd. Yeah, 52.60, exactly. Do you still have your calls?
Yeah, they're out a couple weeks. The calls are up. They're up 62%.
Out a couple of weeks and still up 62%. That's fucking impressive.
Dude, I did some knife catching. I saw the bounce and I bought them as soon as I saw that bounce.
Oh, wow, nice. Like the first bounce, like at 50.1?
No. Yes.
Oh, fucking
I bought a $51 call when it was in the.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
But I was watching it drop, and I have my support line already drawn, and it missed my support line, which was drawn on the daily, mind you, by 50.1. Let's see, 15 cents.
Oh, that's fucking perfect, right? That's fucking gold.
185.35.
All right, I gotta jump on a benefits presentation. I will catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Benefits presentation? What the fuck is that?
They go over the benefits for work, so you can enroll in your because the company, so they typically, everybody that's remote jump on a call instead of going to a meeting.
Interesting. All right. Have fun.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Dude, another stuff move on GBR. Suck a dick. I honestly expected A&W to fade more. Maybe later in the day.
Royalty-free music is trash. Like, how does anyone jam to this?
How's Tesla doing?
No clue.
Bouncing. If this breaks 350 again, that's gotta be sucky. Alright, if it breaks 300 again.
Rio 9.4.
Who's that shit? Who's the blonde? Not one of your friends?
What?
That blonde is not one of your friends?
Who?
The blonde chick you just fucking posted.
No, it's not one of my friends.
She has a fine ass.
Dude, I don't know those people. It's a meme.
Yeah, well, she still has a fine ass.
Pretty sure she's British.
That's fine.
Based on, like, I don't know. It just seems like it, based on what I hear. Something about British people just, like, puts me off, and I can just tell that they're British. It's an American thing.
Something about Jews that just puts me off. I can just hear them talking. I know they're a Jew. Oh, I'll love you long term, Ethan.
SPY. The SPY is like the most like unvolatile I've seen in a while.
Yeah, just slowly grinding down. Looks like just descending channel.
Oh, there we go. 271.74. Let's fucking go. The SPY just found support. The SPY just found support.
Still looks like a Thunberg VWAP though.
I don't even have VWAP on the chart.
But you got all that other garbage? Jesus Christ.
Yep, I have all the other garbage. That's the support. I'm calling that support right there, which I already had on my scratch pad. Support 271.74. Here we go. See, look at that candle right after the support that I just called. Pretty big up candle, eh? Ain't it? Should I put the VWAP on? Probably.
Where'd you put it?
Where'd I put what?
What you just said?
The VWAP?
No, like look at the usually
support?
look at the support line and draw.
271.74. I didn't draw it.
Oh, okay. I was about to be like,
I called it though.
looking for a picture.
I called it before it actually came, because I looked at the I don't know what time this was. This was on the 3rd, or the 2nd, was it? I looked. It was actually the 2nd. The 2nd, I have an automatic, like big support line automatic at 271.74, which it just bounced off perfectly. 271.74 is the bottom of that candle. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good.
It's weird because all the sectors are pretty fucking green, but the SPY is going down. Sectors are probably turning down as well. Retail is down. No, pretty much flat though, but red still.
Yeah, if you're not watching the move, I'll pull up the heat map thingy with Bobber.
Heat map thingamabobber.
Oh wow, we got a lot of green, but a few red dots. GE, for instance, Cisco, MPC, HFC. Wow, a lot of this is GE. A lot of the ones that pop out to me. It must be a shitty company. VLO. It doesn't look like any like sectors down that much. Chart spam. God, I'm so unsure about the SPY right now. I don't want to pull the trigger on anything. Kind of wish I would puts at the open though. I don't know what percent gain you could have made there. 0.17% move. I don't know what. Oh, there's some good bananas. Kinda wish I had more. Not gonna lie. Wait, is eat like what happens if you eat too much banana?
You won't be able to shit.
You won't be able to. Why not?
I don't know, it's very constipating or some shit. That's what I'm always said.
Get up in the morning, I don't really know. Try and do my hair, try and do the type of flow. Do the curly hair flow, but I can really get it. If I cut it, I regret it. Always sick of car static, I was born that way. It's a Puerto Rican thing. What can I say? Now it's getting kinda late, so I'm hopping in my Benz. Shit, I won't pretend. It's a 97 Volvo, gonna make it to the end. 230,000 miles, man. Really got the cash to buy gas, damn it. I'm rolling to the school, 2 friends, one night, no bands. Monday morning, I'ma do it all again. I'm just counting down the days to the weekend. Familia in town, I can finally be free then. Abuelita que me dijo, cálmate, no quiere hijo, huh? Por favor. Monday fell asleep in class. Tuesday go too fast. Wednesday I failed the test, and Thursday was just as bad. Friday we turn it up, and Saturday we still ain't stopping. Monday we ain't slept, yeah. Monday we ain't. What you wanna know about the life I live? Party when I can, cause I gotta stay lit. Calling up the cops, so it's not my crib. Easy with the Henny, you might get sick. Let's make this Freaky Friday. Said she might leave, but she said take it to the back, boy, know I got the tap. I've been waiting for the sack, I'ma do it like that. Yo, wait up, too late, I done stayed up. Leave me alone, I'm in my zone. So and I, we be way up. Forever is summer 18. Cross, it's a dream. Dreams go away, you a fiend. Man, how long you been on the scene? Waiting on the time the sun came out, sun went down, but I'm still here and no one found, and I'm dead. I should sleep, but I hit it instead. Finish up, it's on red. Girl, look at me when I'm hitting the side. Some type of party, we call it a ride. Girlie so gone that she talk like she fly. Don't think about tomorrow, we living tonight. Monday fell asleep in class. Tuesday go too fast. Wednesday I failed the test, and Thursday was just as bad. Friday we turn it up, and Saturday we still ain't stopping. Monday we ain't slept, yeah. Monday we ain't.
Estamos aquí bailando, ya tú sabes que es lo que es. Yo me siento happy, yo me siento pretty great. Bailando en salsa con tu papi de una vez. Después de este party no vamos a hacer el sex. Dios es un santo, como que te tripea. Cuando yo lo muevo, las mujeres dicen huepa. Menea tu chapa así, estilo sensual. Chapa así, menea tu chapa.
Yeah, yeah. Check me out. Listen. Hit up the shawty, she into me. Wanna get top and she doing it softly. Wanna go shop for design.
Not fucking G. Aaron. It's on the ramp again.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, what?
Checking that balance, I'm making salad. You motherfuckers stay clear. Do it from the script, you know that's lit. Lyricism, I don't wrote that shit. Making up lies, I'ma fight that bitch. Promising myself that I'll be rich. Ayy, watching me now from the bleachers. Ayy, I could get help from the teachers. Ayy, came on the scene like a feature film. Who won the game, dropping in for the kill. I want 2 cars black. I want 2 cars stacks. Turn me down, bounce back. Chasing rap, dash trap. Y'all heard enough about Kanye Drake. Cops on a meal, damn, I heard that kid straight. Girlie too high, don't care, she fake. Hope I didn't burn you too hard with these flames. Ayy, ayy. Get it! Morning, I was pissing she bad, everybody know. Push it to the back, shawty really know. Walking around like that, so I know that she bad. How she do me like that? It's more than just rap. If you hit it, it bounces right back. Come for me and I reroute. The script be asking me to freestyle. Did it now, she ran now. Why you wanna walk away now? Do the same thing every day, did the same people every year now. And I'm down with the games, and I'm down with the people coming for my name, saying that I'm laying up to the bat. No. Yeah. Everything you seen was on my own. Yeah. Every single verse of every song. Everything I said that I would do. Said that I would chase it, I pursue. Everything you seen was on my own, Every single verse of every song, Everything I said that I would do, Said that I would chase it, I pursue. Here we go, now I'm vying for the show. Counting people that I know, some that like me, some that don't. Feeling alone, yeah. Cycles on the low, man. Happiness and flow. I hustle on my own, The world can be a pretty cruel place, so digressing back to the things I know. Reading my book, I know.
Bounces on GBR are starting to get weaker.
Uh-oh. SBY just broke.
Another video reject.
Not looking good for it. I wish we just went up and hit that resistance like 5 hooks.
Switch up the flow, so easy, hearing it right now. That's really him. I'ma do it for the A6, so for the win. I'ma do it for the I8 whip, 30 grand. I'ma do it for the sold out show for the name. Everybody calling out saying I'm insane. I don't know, it's the type of shit staying in my brain. It's the type of shit staying in my brain. Everybody wanna know, everybody wanna say. I just wanna get a rep, I just wanna get laid, I just wanna be rich, I just wanna get paid, and I wanna get a hit. I ain't talking every day. How can I pursue when I'm so afraid? Yeah, how can I pursue when I'm so afraid? Cause I just don't know the future it holds. So much uncertainty, stuff I don't know. Will I for happiness as I get hold of material things and the value they hold. Fraction of time, all I'm getting to say. Assuming I make it, assuming I stay. I'm trying my best and that's all I can say. I'm trying my best and that's all I can say. Really done doing this alone. Searching for the place I call my home. Searching for the place I call my home. Take me home.
CCC already knows for sure. Stuffed.
SBY looks ugly to me.
Oh, MICT is down at 2%. It's crazy. Suppose it should have gone It's important something to
White flow, and sweat people, white walls flickering, white lights. It's that slow grind season. Got 100,000 reasons that I should quit the game. They say that I'm insane, but shut your mouth, so someday you'll be yelling out my name. That slow grind season. Got 100,000 reasons.
I guess I'll try to find a new support.
Say that I'm insane, but shut your mouth, so someday you'll be yelling out my name. Drop the tape when they told me not to try. It's too late to stop me now. I am focused on the climb. They said focus on your school, what you good at, keep it wise. But I took my time with eight. This right here just a replies. Busting my ass, trying to cement my image. Yeah, the game is in my future, but right now it's just a scrimmage. Wrecking bars no longer timid. Yeah, my growth is far from center. Do you get it? This ain't pretend like my goals. Wait till I finish, cause you know I ain't done yet. Picking up the mic on Monday.
Uh-oh.
I put it down till Sunday.
I got all the way down to 270.62.
I can say I made it in the game.
Probably gonna write close, huh?
But my words I'll never stray. For that I'll always pray. Yeah, for that I always pray.
Do you think it's probably too... Damn it!
Simplistic, saying I'm egotistic, hidden listen, my linguistic, I'm a dreamer, futuristic, super duper stylistic. Tell me this, am I free behind walls of concrete? In a class I don't need, can't you see, I can't breathe. Lady Nas, my elite, call me up, VMG, set me free, set me free. I feel the nerves, I feel exhilaration, try to make it in the game, overcoming all my patience, open pennies, flipping dimes, it's in but I'm alive, will I make it, hit my stride, or will nothing, will I die? I pray to God, man, I do it every night, no, he put me here to try, no, he put me here to fight. At the bottom of the stairs, breaking out is on my mind, call it on recession, lately it's been taking all my time. Yeah, yeah, it's Emil. I'm back. You already know that I'm rolling in late. If you finna about to come, then you finna gonna pay. And I'm busting in the game, but I only give you 8. Any combination now, ain't nobody go complain. Huh? What you gonna say, man? I heard it all before when I hear it every day. New shit going in my ears. I'm just waiting for the day to come now. I can say I made it in the game. Yeah, yeah, I know I'm just a kid and I made a little tape. And the people like my shit like
And go to the AVI.
Alright. Come and say super hated, can I get a reputation? Everybody wanna make it, but nobody wanna say I'm here to fucking slay. Emil and T.O. Okay. Up and coming, can I get my money? Can I shake these honeys? Stop me now, you really funny. Y'all see me out on the street. Y'all see that fire on my feet. Y'all see me wearing
I think I'm gonna buy Put Sub.
flex on this beat. Can't stop the grind, so divine.
Should have bought it earlier, honestly. I'm kind of kicking myself. Should I do it? Should I?
Kind of chasing at this point, right?
Yep. Happily. I'm gonna get July 6th though. Or July 9th, I mean. Look at Monday. Or should I do? I'll do 11th. Be a little bit safer. Let's. Can I?
Nuts. Crackdown 5 and GBR. Get fucking fucked, you get Cole.
Accessories coming from our brand. It's so simple, I don't get how people still don't understand. Every concept literally now in person doesn't stand. Then we go to the west coast just to relax up on the sand. I only want Ben Franklin's, not like Jackson's on a dime. All my time is money and all my money is time. I am T.O., I am young, not even in my prime. Every day I'm grinding, thinking, dreaming, laying out these rhymes. I like to have exotic dishes seasoned up with lime.
honey, stop me now, you really fun. I dream of coming home and thinking I live in a bank, yeah. Having millions, living big with just myself to thank, yeah. Putting gas in my Bugatti, filling up that tank, yeah. Revving up at stoplight, soon as that turns green, I crank. And it isn't just merely a trick, like a switch it'll clip, making buzz like that nick, just like Velcro to stick. Just when you see how slick I can get with this spit, call me the new Logic. And I'm trying to get paid for the beats that I made with my team. Flow as smooth as a stream, hits you harder than lean. Don't be scared, I'm not mean. I'm just new to the scene and addicted to rapping. Yeah, call me a fiend.
God.
TGC is gorgeous.
I'm about to submit it, Hub.
Oh boy, chasing probably gonna fucking get him dead bottom.
Order
Don't get
received.
too many.
I just got one contract.
Okay, so is it like your first contract? You're probably gonna lose any money.
Alright, now I wait. If my prediction was right, I should make at least 20%, which is kind of my goal. And that's all I want. I don't need a 100% gainer.
Kind of got a shitty entry there, though, I think.
Yeah, I definitely did.
Like, not at the bottom of the channel, up the top of the channel, just in the middle. Fuck it.
Yep.
It would have
fuck
been
it.
golden if it had gotten an VUAP or anything like that.
We're at
But I
open.
mean, it's already crashing down. So I suppose it's okay.
This is kind of the first time I've ever rooted against the market, really.
Oh,
Fuck you,
dude.
Spy.
Dude, you're about to step into a whole new world where you're gonna sit at your computer and yell at a stock to suck a dick.
Every stock can suck a dick. Wait, how do I see what I own on Robinhood?
I don't know.
What?
What stock did you get for free?
ZNGA Zynga.
Oh yeah, you said Zynga.
Wait, how could if I can't see what I own, how am I gonna? Uh-oh.
As Johnny or
Spy's kind of coming up here.
Jasper's not even here, or Johnny's not even here.
The truth is that somewhere down the line, girls went from having cooties to being hella fine. And that's cool, knew it happened in due time. I just know that little William would have told me it's a crime. Yup, my mindset from back then is so far gone. I'm having
Wow, look at the ramp on ABIL, dude. Whoa, dude.
I don't want to hear about ramps.
Wicked.
Oh, this is not good, Hub.
Well, in theory, your risk should be VWAP, so.
I don't even have VWAP on the chart.
Well, VWAP is 272.03, because it seems to be not be able to break that. If it breaks that, you fucked. So your risk is
I have one
quoted at
contract.
272.
I'm actually. Am I up on the contract? How? I don't think that the computer's right. I don't think Robinhood is right. It says I'm up 1% on it, which I mean, like, not a lot of money, obviously, but like, I don't think I'm up anything.
You're up to something.
Dude, I think Robinhood fucked up. It says I'm break even. It says my break even is when the SPY is like 271.8. What?
That's not out of this world.
That's not right.
Called?
No, I got put. Wait.
Are you sure? The hell was you waiting?
No, I got a put.
Okay.
I got a 271.5 put. Which is like not too far off, so like from in the money. So I assumed it'd be half decent. Huh. I'm up, Hub. $1. A whole dollar.
$2.
Almost $2. $2 now. Fuck yeah. I'm getting after it, dude.
You're getting after it. Yeah, there you go.
Alright, Spy, you can start tanking now. I guess I did get it on the half decent entry.
Nah, you're into shit.
No, like half decent, like for the past few candles or like past 3 candles. Right. Do you think this spy will tank though?
I don't know, Ethan. I'm not a spy trader.
I feel it. Something about it tells me the 270.62 support will be reached. Also, who wants to hold into Friday? Think about that. Isn't that logical? Kind of.
You're also holding through, if you're gonna hold that long, through the F1C thing.
Yeah, true. And no one wants to. I'm up 7%.
If that's good, it's gonna.
True. But I'm hopefully. What time is that?
2.
What? 2?
2.
Yeah, so I'll just make sure I sell like right before it.
Okay, well, it looks like it just broke below a day. No,
Yeah.
no bottom. Okay.
Uh oh. No, it didn't double bottom. Low 271.55. I swear to God. No, it didn't. There's 1 cent off. It's gonna crash now. I think.
This is it.
I think it's gonna crack.
Go to 250.
I think it's gonna crack here. Come on, don't do me like that, spy. Don't troll me. Come on.
It's kind of like when you have a girlfriend and she's like, let's fuck, and then you try to go fuck, and then she just doesn't put it in.
That's not looking. Oh, that is not
That's
what I
the
wanted.
bottom.
Yeah. Wait, what was the price again?
What price?
271.7. The low.
And the lower day currently is 271.52.
Oh, I feel like I saw that number somewhere earlier. Is that this? No, that's 0.53. Wait, 6.2? Is it point?
No, 271.53 is the lower day.
I can't find a level like that before. Yeah, there's no level like that before, so I don't trust it as a support. That's what my theory tells me, based on my brief studying. 2-2 Robinhood puts like your percent gain in like parentheses, but parentheses usually signifies a loss.
Yeah, that does signify a loss. What the fuck?
Yeah, but it says plus next to it, and the value amount is up from when I bought it.
That's fucking.
So isn't it weird? So I guess it says negative and has the parentheses.
It's like, yeah, it's negative, but it's green though.
Weird.
It's like your nasty ex-girlfriend breaks up with you. Negative, you don't get any more blowjobs. Positive, she's fucking gone.
Yeah.
That's
Damn, I could have made so much if I bought puts right at the open. Feels bad.
Mm-hmm. GBR is just dying. Coming very close to low day here. 450.
Oh, come on. Bring me in the money, baby. Oh, come down, baby. 271.49, let's get it. You can tell, you know it wants to break down right here.
I hate it when people talk like that, Ethan. Shut the fuck up.
You know it wants to.
Dude, stocks don't want to.
Dude, that's sick. My mom turned the vacuum on, but the mic like blocked out the sound
Nice. Yeah, I can hear it.
from the noise cancellation.
$20 headset.
Value. It's a value play hub.
It's a value play. I bought a button.
Tank. Con motherfucker. Nah, it's still definitely on a downtrend. Oh, yeah. New low a day.
Yeah, new low here.
Yep.
7150 is about to fucking leave.
And the good thing is I don't have to worry about commission. So
as much as I did. Hear the work I put in, all the hours that I spent, that I could socialize in, chasing visions in my head. Wait,
Oh shit, did you see that? Spy took a pretty big downer.
Yeah, I was seeing it. Lots of volume on it too. It's probably gonna have a bounce here.
What if it hits, remember this number, 270.62? That's what I predict the support will be, but that's like really low.
Not too far out.
I don't know, I feel like that's
GBR
really
bounce
far.
too.
I would make a lot of money though if it went all the way
It's
down there.
already down
and I
$1
had-
on the entire day, so it just needs to fade like about 80 cents more.
I'm already up 11% on the options. I'm a happy boy. 10%. But yeah. Now it's. I mean, it's not. I mean, you could go down more.
You know, if you just want to like tank a little more, that'd be nice. Thank you, thanks.
And I swear that I'm on stain, ain't nobody gonna tell me otherwise. I got my eyes on the prize, taking my time with these rhymes. I'm getting so good it's a crime, but I'm still too young to do time. Who the fuck else you know to do this? Murdering the beat like I'm finna blow biz in the studio grind with the great white kicks. Like about to get
Oh, he doesn't have a good feeling hub. What are your opinion on feelings?
I just said it's fine. Okay, but your feelings.
Uh-oh. Spy just came back on that candle pretty hard.
Oh wow, look at that ramp. Fucking wicked bounce. It's because that fucking reversal volume.
140.
Still waiting for 520 to break down DFBG.
Fuck. There we go. There's a 1 minute support at 271.55. So
Oh, wow.
as long as we can stay below that, I'm happy on the Spy. There we can break the low day again. It's okay. I won't hold it against the Spy. No biggie. I know that you would like that very much, Spy.
You're frightening is typing.
I think I might go get lunch soon. It's only 10:30. Damn. Only 10:30. That's plenty of time for the Spy to tank. Look for great AMD holding current support pretty well.
It's looking good in the perpendicular Fibonacci cloud fuck there. Love that joke.
Oh my god. Fucking hub, dude.
So many indicators on that guy's shit, man.
Yeah. Oh, you don't even know. You even got the VWAP on that bitch.
Yeah, at least he does, Ethan. What are you in? Yeah, for the spot is down trending.
Yeah, it's
Entry
keeping in
could
that.
use a lot of work though, but I think the play is good.
Yeah, true, the entry. I should have at the open when I was like, spy puts. I should have just bought them, because that was a half decent entry right at the open actually. Because if you have the 200 SMA, it actually it went below it right at the open. Oh, right before the open in the pre-market, went below it. The first candle spiked up and then ended up closing below it, and then it went up. Let's see, at 940, went up 940, 945. It went up, touched the 200 SMA on the 5 minute, rejected it both times, and then after those two candles, I should have known. Oh yeah, damn. And then my entry would have been when SPY was like right around the 272 level, which would have been a good time for puts. And then bam. And then bing bang bong, make some money,
Bada bing, bada boom.
fuck some bitches.
Fuck some bitches, make some money. Nice 5 crack on DSBG. Wash! Still got dick! And I'm kind of sad about covering up too early. But I had such pathetic size, I was not going to hold it through all that.
I just want to see the SPY turn red, and then I can just rejoice.
I just want to see SPY turn red, man. Go with Chipotle, scoot nose gun.
Yeah, honestly. This will make my dad happy if I make money.
All specialty indices are down. Regional banking is up. Semiconductors up. What is this?
SPY is
Mining
up, but not for long,
Retail
bitch.
is up. Home building is up. Real estate's up. Mid cap, small cap, and micro cap's all up.
What do you check for those? IJR, IJH?
IJR and IWC. Yeah, micro cap is IWC. IJR is.
Oh, there's some
small
micro?
cap.
Oh, I didn't know. Yeah. And IJH is mid cap. I know because.
I have MWY for mid cap.
Oh. Because I used to have a portfolio. My portfolio, before I traded, was most of it was IJR and IJH. Because that's what what my dad did. Like for a lot of his, he just would do that was his risky investments. Was small. Yeah, well, because when you have a certain point hub, it's like you don't need to make really risky things, so you just go into small and mid cap ETFs and mutual funds as your risk to benefit on the general market of small and mid cap stocks without having to worry about individual companies. And those aren't even leveraged.
I'm gonna feed the dog. We'll be back in a second.
Oh yeah, of course. Fuck you, SPY. You're a piece of shit. Damn it. Now they're feeling good. That's for sure. Spy, you can suck my dick. Oh, come on, you know you want a tank.
No, Spy's doing all right.
No, go down. Still hasn't hit 271.18. What's consolidating? Yes, go down. Oh God, I do not like the look of that. That scared me. Uh-oh. No. Bad. Oh, fuck. I knew when I saw that thing flash on the screen, it was bad for me. So the ready to go. I'm at break even level again. God damn it. The spy's a bitch. The spy's a big bitch. Ooh. Damn it, Spy, why you do this to me? Fucking bitch.
I suppose you should have gotten a better entry.
What? Hub, call your boy Buffett up. Tell him to dump everything and to release a public statement saying that he did it on CNBC. Please.
This is Warren Buffett dumps everything.
Actually, he doesn't even have to. If he just said that he did, the market would tank like a motherfucker, dude.
Yeah, and he could buy everything on discount. It's like, hey, Buffett.
Yeah, but then
could
you get
just not
arrested.
say that you sell anything and then just buy everything in a
Oh.
discount?
Oh,
nice. Like, yeah.
We both saw it.
Thanks, Buffett.
I'll send him a thank you letter later. I'll text him, you know, because I have his number, of course.
Send him some McDonald's.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, market's not looking too good today, so I'm only gonna get McDonald's.
That's actually
Nice.
funny. That he only gets like the cheaper whatever thing when the market's red.
Yeah, when the market's red, yeah.
Like, because he can't afford it on a red day, of course.
Of course not. We're not feeling bearish or bullish.
Shit, hell yeah.
What do you think he uses to check the market in the mornings?
I don't know.
Like he doesn't have a computer at his desk at work, but do you think at home he has like a Bloomberg terminal or something that he just says, "Oh, okay, what's the
Bloomberg
pre-market need?"
terminal at his house. He probably has. Does he have a phone? I don't think he does.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't have. Yeah, he has a BlackBerry.
Oh, yeah, he probably just checks on that.
I don't think he knows how to use it. Dude, look at this fade. Holy fuck.
Fade? You mean dump? You mean crash of the century? What if it? What if it crashed? I'd feel bad, but I would make so much money that my other like account in Baba and whatever shit wouldn't matter because I'm pretty sure the gain would be so high on the option, right? Like percent wise, that would make.
Yeah, but there wouldn't be liquidity to sell it into though.
No, I think there would be for the option. Wait, if a stock halts, does the option that's with it halt too?
Yes.
Ooh, that's interesting. Dude, it didn't even hold the support that I had drawn out at 271.18. Yeah, didn't even it just it just tanked. It just didn't give a fuck about anything on that candle. Life's a beautiful thing, Hub.
I'm sure it is, Ethan. Jesus.
I enjoy watching the market tank too much now. This is not healthy. There's like nothing to do now. I'm just watching the spy. It's oversold now. It's not good. Because it could get that oversold bounce, you know. It's so close to red for the day, though. It's hilarious. It's only up 17 cents on the day. 18, whatever. This is a healthy consolidation. It's going to tank again. Trust me. It knows that it wants.
It's just a healthy pullback.
Yeah, healthy pull up. It's not really. This is still called a
Pull up on your
pullback.
bitch.
Oh come on, yo, yo! It's gonna turn negative. Oh, I feel like an asshole, but this is so fun. This is way too much fun up.
It's way more fun than watch the star go down there as it go up.
I think options are just fun in general. It's like, oh, it moved 0.1%, but then the option moved like fucking 10%.
Yeah.
And then that candle doesn't really look that promising.
That was a reversal candle. Bounce to 271.5.
Oh. It's gonna go to 270.62. I can feel it in my blood. Also, I mean, the other support level worked earlier, kind of. Yeah, I don't see why this one won't. Unless it like doesn't like me. Probably doesn't like me. Quite a riveting experience, let me tell you. No, stop going up.
Well, hello, friends.
Hello, how are you doing?
Ethan, how much you up on your put?
Let's see right now. Should we? I have way too many tabs open. Just under 20%.
No, that sucks. It's not good enough. Come on, you gotta do better than that.
600% of nothing. Get the fuck out.
I almost got into a put myself, and I'm gonna wait for a little more sell-off. Catching, hopefully, if my charting is correct, 270 between 270.30 and 270.50. But imagine FOMC
30, wait,
minutes.
30 and maybe. I have a support at 270.62. I don't know if it's accurate or not though.
0.62.
Yeah.
Where you? Yeah, it could be. I mean, that's right around there. I almost jumped in the put, and I'm like, wait a little bit, and then it just cascaded off, and I was like, oh.
Yeah. I
But,
want
mean,
another one of those big candles.
Yeah, it's kind of one of those things where you don't want to be chasing,
Mm-hmm.
Get out of MU hub.
Did you? How did I haven't checked.
There's a 50% move at the end. It didn't.
Failed breakout.
Yeah.
Yeah, nasty little naster.
Well, I think the markets are kind of confused today. Everything started up, but then things are selling off because you got
Good.
Fed and tomorrow kind of looming.
Yeah.
My name is Trey. I got a basketball game.
What'd you guys do for 4th of July?
Fucking drank a bunch of beers, ate some fucking shot off some fireworks, man. This is America. That's what you do.
I was about to say, like, and here I thought you were the least American that I knew, but nope, been proven wrong again.
I was the least American that you knew, huh?
That
Ooh,
was a joke.
ooh,
That's a good one.
well, rough.
I went to the dentist again this morning, and I got like they
Is
checked
this
what
guy gonna
everything that
stop
needed to
moving up?
happen.
Because I'm tired of this little movement. I want to see the crash.
Total cost is gonna be like $2,400.
And I mean the crash down to like 200.
Like 16,000 Danish krones.
Jesus Christ, for teeth work?
Fuck
Dentistry
yeah,
work?
dude. Fucking ridiculous.
That's
Fuck you, Spa.
What do you
Fuck
got going
you,
on? You
Spa.
got just a bunch of cavities, or what's going on?
No, there's like you got two cavities here, and I had one of my tooth, like one of my teeth that was like a little corner that broke off. Like I don't know what they're called, but like the teeth in the side, the bigger ones.
Molars.
I don't know that your molars, but I like a chunk broke off, but it's like in the middle. It's like in between the two teeth, and it's not like a corner piece. So like all the corners are still there, but it's like between the corners on the inside of two teeth. It's really fucking weird. But apparently that's gonna cost a lot.
Is it painful?
No, not at all. But shoot, like if bacteria can come in there, like you might get infected roots, and like you need like special treatment for that as well again. But so right now it's not infected yet, so we're gonna have to be careful with that.
Well, that sounds fucking pleasant.
Oh boy, it sucks.
Oh,
no,
God.
I really don't mind a dentist. Like I know people that absolutely hate it, but I really don't care. I just the only thing that hurts is when I'm done. That's what hurts.
Yeah, well, part of it, man.
Go down, bitch. Fuck you.
I'm gonna walk the dog. We'll be back in like 20 minutes.
All right.
I could have sworn he walked the dog like not like 25 minutes ago.
Boy, MU's coming back down.
Guess the dog needs a lot of walking. And I guess the spine needs a lot of tinking.
I gotta get some food, so I'm fucking starving. Where are you getting your support from, Ethan?
The support and resistance study mixed with the Run for Your Life. So when I see a green arrow from the Run for Your Life study, along with the support, I look at that support, and then generally I find that those supports are levels that are the bottom for at least one candle. I mean, sometimes they break. Like earlier today, there was one at 271.74, which was actually the bottom for a candle. And then the next two candles went up, and then we had a big red candle down.
Well, I mean, it's like any support or resistance. I mean, it's usually a level that will be expected in some way, shape, or form. It's just a matter of the strength.
Yeah.
So this should be a nice little bear flag, and then you should see another fucking shit in the spy, in my opinion.
Yeah, hopefully. I wish it went down to like $0, so I made like $1 billion.
The rest of your investments would take a little bit of a hit there, man.
It'd be so. I think the thing is like if the SPY crashed, everything else would take a hit. But I still feel like the option would be up so much that it would cover everything else.
What's the size of your position in your option?
I got one contract.
$100?
I got it 170.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that would be a fucking monster gain. But you're gonna need well, I guess it depends on what your positions are, but
Actually, my other accounts in my TD. I don't think I have that much in. I'm pretty sure like half the account is in cash right now. Yeah, half my account is in cash. So and then the rest is in Baba, Activision, and then some like IJR and stuff. Small cap like things, ETFs and such.
Shit is selling off a bit here.
Wait, I want to see how the leverage small cap is doing. Barely up today. It's probably gonna crash too because that's how I work my magic.
So, what is your strike date on your option?
I didn't want this Friday because I felt like that was too soon. So
No, with the SPY, I mean, they don't only do Fridays; they do weekdays as well. Other weekdays.
yeah, I did 11th, so I did next Wednesday.
And I know you haven't traded. You might already be aware of this, but just so you do know, obviously, close to the strike date, the increased volatility,
Yeah.
so on and so forth.
And I got the 271.5 puts.
Okay, those are the exact ones I was looking at when it was around. It got up to 271.70ish, and that's when I was considering. It was the bounce up to it around like 10:50, 10:45 to 10:50. Yeah, 10:49. I decided not to though. Kind of felt like it was a chase. What I was actually hoping to see is the SPY run back up to VWAP and get a VWAP rejection. Then I would have, if it had gotten that far, I would have gotten a put. Just didn't quite make it.
Oh, I don't like this.
They can't all be red candles, man.
Why not? On my chart, they are because it's still in the downtrend, and it recolors all the candles red. But you can tell the difference because the colored in ones are down, and then the non-filled candles are yeah. Oh, that's not a good sign.
What?
I got a blue volume for my colored volume. It's blue.
Nice leg up right there. It's to be expected after that fucking huge red candle.
No, bad.
Two big red candles.
Bad SPY.
Especially at this point in time of the day, very rarely. You don't get
that's another bad sign.
What?
There's a ready set go on the 1 minute.
It's also hitting previous support that it broke down through. So it's hitting it as resistance. To me, this would be okay. Possible put time.
I don't like it.
But you can also look at where you are with the RSI, and it's
The SPY's a bitch. The SPY's a big bitch. I didn't get my sippy cup when I joined. Where's my sippy cup? Come on.
I want to play a put right now so bad. Put, I think, would be
Patience is a virtue.
Huh?
Patience is a virtue.
Yeah, no. I'm literally waiting for it to drop to so I can buy a call. But the thing is that with all this fucking tariff bullshit, I mean, it makes it more of a dangerous hold.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I wish I had the. I mean, you can see. Obviously, things are not always 100% predictable, but you can see where things pivot to a certain extent. Like you're not gonna be right all the time, but if you had the ability to just kind of go in with smaller scalping, so yeah, I mean, it ran right up to previous support, and it's using that as resistance right now.
Like, this is kind of bullshit. Warren Buffett is gonna announce that he's gonna sell everything.
AMD's fucking having a nice day today.
It's official. Does Warren Buffett have a Twitter? Someone needs to hack that shit and say, just want to let everyone know I'm bearish and selling everything. Warren? He probably doesn't. Warren Buffett. No, I doubt he is. Actually, he's following 0 people and has 380,000 followers. It might actually be Warren Buffett.
So here's the thought process, right? So you had a $170, $180 call, right? You said you made what was the highest you were up?
Probably like 25%.
And what is it now? Like 10%?
Yeah. 8%. Yeah.
Okay. So that's still, think about that, man. If you can do that on a repeated basis, but instead of getting greedy and hold larger gains, you just fucking lock those gains on it repeatedly.
Oh my god, this is a disaster.
Money.
This is a fucking disaster. What the hell happened? Warren, I told you to fucking sell all the stock. What the hell?
Small repeatable gains, and that's a 20% gain isn't even fucking small. That's a great gain.
Is this actually Warren Buffett or no?
Are you really looking at a Twitter account for Warren Buffett?
Yeah. It's not verified, but there's 380,000 followers and following 0 people. I don't know. His last tweet was like this morning, like an hour ago. When you are angry, be silent. Is that something Warren Buffett would say?
I have no idea.
It's so weird to see a selfie of like a really like big like tough dude and like see there's like a selfie that they took because like I don't know, when people take selfies it just makes them look like not as tough or something. I don't know. Should I sell it? Oh god.
Welcome to the world of Are you still in the green?
I'm pretty sure I am.
So what you should do, Ethan, in my opinion, I mean, this is the obvious way. Have a plan, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Entries and exits. I'll be right back.
Well, my exit was not here. Tell me why. Found it on